This is the DJI Air 2S. It is one of the best drone money can buy. I love it, no complaints. This is the controller. Unfortunately, the controller has no hooks whatsoever where you can insert a strap in and hang it by your neck. There's no such thing. It's impossible. So I bought a kit from Amazon. It came with the strap, aluminum adapter. Here's another adapter. There were no instructions, so you have to do it by yourself. The first thing you have to do is mount these two screws into this adapter. Make sure that it is at this angle or else it will not fit. I'm using the 7-inch tablet, so I'm using these two holes. If you're using a 10-inch or bigger tablet, then you have to use these two holes down the bottom. Open up your controller. Insert this in. Tighten down the screws. Insert this into this crevice of the controller. It slides in easily. Once fully assembled, yours should look something like this. Now pop the tablet in. And there you go. The whole unit is now completely assembled. Finally, to strap this to your neck, you can always use this on top. Or you could always use this down here at the bottom. Either way works fine. I prefer mine somewhere down here. I'm not used to the one on the top, but I suppose you can do it. Next, snap this in. Snap the other side in, and you are done. Wrap this around your neck, and it is extremely sturdy. Can you use it without a tablet? Sure. All you have to do is put this adapter in to this little crevice, slide your phone in, and you are done. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me in the comment section.